In this video, we'll learn how to start collecting payment through your Zenfolio account, allowing you to sell print products, digital downloads, and services to your clients. To get started, click on the selling icon on the left-hand side of your account dashboard. Once you reach the selling area of your account, click on Settings. From here, you'll have two options of payment processing. You can choose to connect with Stripe, or you can choose to connect with PayPal. If you only connect with Stripe, clients will only be able to pay using Google Pay, Apple Pay, or credit or debit cards. And if you only choose to connect with PayPal, clients will have to have an existing PayPal account in order to pay with this option. You can also choose to connect both, allowing clients to choose whether they want to pay with a credit card or debit card or pay with their PayPal account. To get started connecting one of these, just click on the Connect Stripe or Connect PayPal button and follow the steps provided to complete the connection. For more assistance, please contact our support team or visit our support center for more information.